Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show the new option of recognizing the rest material in our Z level. What I'd like to do is first create a pocket operation up until that Z level over there, and then do a second operation up until this Z level over here, where this material above it has already been cut. So we'll start with our first pocket operation, choosing our geometry of this floor over here. And I'll just mark down the option of cut only rest material, even though I don't need it at this point. I'll choose my tool, my levels, my pocket depth. I'm going to put this at this surface over here, 20 millimeters. And you'll note my upper level is by target. I'm going to do save and calculate. And as you can see, it machined down exactly up until that floor over there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do save and copy. And I'm going to change my geometry. My new geometry is going to be this floor over here. So my level now, if I go to my levels, will be at 30 millimeters, which is the depth of this floor over here. Note that I'll be leaving my upper level by target. But remember, I also have here cut only rest material as checked off. If I do save and calculate, you'll see that the tool is only machining from this level on down. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.